Hi, I'm Craig Stenhouse. I'm the founder and chairperson of the Clean Streams Karamea project. So an issue that's been identified is that when land was cleared of native vegetation to create farms and other things, that natural waterways, streams, creeks and rivers and wetlands have been affected. There is runoff coming from the surrounding land, excess nutrients, excess nitrates, E. coli and things like that end up in the natural waterways. It also affects the temperature, seeing as the shade's been taken away from the streams, the water temperature rises, and all these things together can have a detrimental impact on the stream life, the native fish and other things that live in the streams. We're a non-profit group and we run a native tree nursery here in Karamea on the west coast in New Zealand. We grow eco-sourced native trees, so we source the seed from the forest locally and grow trees in our nursery. These trees are then planted out on riparian margins, which is alongside streams and rivers and in wetlands, and we also supply trees for environmental restoration projects. So riparian planting filters water that is rainwater that's flowing off the farmland. So it picks up things like E. coli, excess nitrates and other things, sediment that comes off the land. It picks that up before it gets into the river, so it's like a filter. The other thing is that creating shade, which would have been there naturally, just keeps the temperature of the water as it should be. A lot of native aquatic species can't survive if the water temperature rises. The work we're doing planting the stream banks doesn't just help the streams. Those streams flow down into the bigger rivers, which then flow into estuaries and then ultimately into the ocean. So if we can contain some of the excess nutrients and other pollutants that are coming off the farmland and from towns and other areas that surround natural waterways, if we can stop them from entering the water in the first place, that has a massive effect downstream in the streams, the estuaries and ultimately the ocean. So the outlook for projects like ours and other projects around New Zealand is looking pretty good at the moment. There are similar projects happening all over the country. A lot of landowners are seeing the benefit of planting on their land. For our project, we've just built over the last 5 years. We've hit a pretty good sweet spot now, and I think we can continue like this for quite some years now. And it's going to be pretty awesome to look back in 25 years' time and just see the changes that we've made to the local environment.